Hello everyone, my name is Chaitrani from SYCOB. Our subject of micro project is software engineering and our topic name is write down the test cases on lift. Our project guide is Sheetal Gaikwad ma'am and my group members are Ankita Satav, Soham Shinde and Prashit Kotagade. Now let us see what are the test cases of software engineering. The test case is the set of steps that end to be done in order to test a specific function of a software. They are developed for the various scenarios to set the test can be determined whether the software is working the way it should and producing the expected results. Now, there are many types of test cases. The first one is functionality, user interface, performance, integration, usability, database, security, and user applicant test cases. Now, what are the test cases on lift? To verify that the lift is ready to use, the functionality of inner lift door are working. To to check whether the presence of electricity is correct or not. The functionality of outer door lift is working. The inside control panel. The functionality of outside control panel on each floor is working or not. To verify the functionality of lift for its pulley is working properly or not. To verify that the function of lift for its gears. To check the test cases in the another way are lift for the battery backup, look and feel of the lift, position of the fans inside the lift, the switch of fans or the switch of lift or the flows on the lift, presence of alarms, presence of inner door lift, presence of outer door and each floor lift, presence of door sensors. Now, there are more. We can see the control panels inside the lift to verify the presence of outside control panels on each floor, whether the buttons on inside control panels are working correctly or not, to verify the presence of fire sensors inside the lift, and also to verify the presence of display screen for displaying on each floor, to check the visibility of outer control panel for its up button. Now, there are many more as we can see. To check the functionality of outer control panel for its down button. To validate the functionality of buttons on control to control each floor. The validity of functionality of background light for the present button and outer control panel on each floor. To validate the functionality of display of the screen, and also to check the outer door of lift is opening automatically or not. Now, there are few more test cases about the lift door. Functionality of our door of lift to close automatically after specific time, for example, like 30 seconds. To validate the functionality of outer door for interpretation occurs while closing it. To validate the functionality of lift to carry weight equally its weight capability. To validate the functionality of lift for weight more than its weight capability. To validate the functionality of lift alarm if outer door is not probably closed. To validate the functionality of lift alarms if the door are not properly closed and if the lift door are open. To validate the functionality of lift for start when doors are open and if whether it's moving onwards or not. To validate the functionality of lift for downward space. To validate the functionality of lift when suddenly the power supply is cut off. Now, the functionality of lift of gears, the lift of jam, lift of fire rope, floor display screen of lift, it should the life of fire catches or it or not. To validate the functionality of buttons on inner control panel and open and store forcefully. Now, there are few more things of the control panel button that are to validate the functionality of button on inner control panel to close lift door forcefully, to validate the functionality of button on inner control panel switch off fan, and a button inner control panel to switch the exhausted fan. Now, if when you want to check the control button of the inner control panel to switch the tube light. To validate the functionality of button on inner control panel to burst emergency alarms, to validate the functionality of G button to reach lift ground floor and stop them, to validate the functionality of lift force stop, to validate the functionality of the lift materials for not carrying electric currents, to validate the functionality of the lift for the request. Now, what is the conclusion about the test cases of the lift? So, the key purpose of the test cases is to ensure if different features within an application are working as expected or not. It helps tester to validate if the software is free to defect and if it is working as a per the expectation of and ensure the user. Thank you.